Hello guys, today in this tutorial I'm going to tell you how you can cancel your Purolabs subscription or membership. Okay, so if you have taken any subscription on their platform related to your supplements, so how you can cancel. So first of all, you need to visit on their official website, and their official website you can see, when you scroll down you will see there is a manage subscription page, or you can select manage subscription option. You just need to simply tap on manage subscription option. So I want to show you, like you can see over here there is a manage subscription button. You can see over here in the bottom side, you can see over here there is a subscription button. You just need to simply tap on this option, and once you tap on this option it will redirect you on a new window. On this window you can see over here there is an option like account, login account. You need to log in into your account by providing your email address, which is your registered email address. You need to provide email and get login code. Once you click on get login code, you need to check out your email and you will receive a code. You need to enter your code and you will log in into your account subscription area, and you can cancel your subscription very easily on that page. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and there is no other method by which you can cancel your subscription on this Purolabs. Okay, so that's it. So if you have any questions, make a comment, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.